In this video, I will show how to repair Microsoft Edge in Windows 11. Click on Start. Type here Settings. Open Settings. Now in this list, click on Apps. Now here click on Default Apps. Now here click on Microsoft Edge. Now here click on Microsoft Edge. Now here click on Installed Apps. In this list you have to find out Microsoft Edge. This one, double click this one. Click on these three dots. Modify. Click on yes. Now here just click on repair and make sure this repair tool will work if you have internet connection with your laptop. Repairing Microsoft Edge requires an internet connection and will reinstall the browser. Your browser data and settings won't be affected, so just click on repair. Now let this process to be complete, and once this complete, just you have to reboot your system. Restart your system. Hopefully this method will work and this will fix all problems and errors in Microsoft Edge browser. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.